Quanex Custom Components manufactures parts for OEMs. The advantage that comes to market is how we process wood. So we're processing roughly 50 million board feet of hardwood lumber a year, and basically how we yield that material determines the cost of our product.
We want to use every inch of that board. Anything that doesn't have a knot, we would like to use it. In Luck, we do have a finger joint process where we're able to take the scrap off the ends of our boards that we won't use and glue them back together to make a usable, sellable product. We do finger jointed window and door jambs and window components, and we do finger jointed custom trim moldings. Finger jointing is just the process of taking small pieces, joining the ends, applying some glue, and then pressing them together to make a longer board.
We can bring in lower grade lumber then and get higher value out of it. We can also take all of the lumber that we've been using for years out of an upper grade material and be able to utilize anything that would drop from that. It's always beneficial if we can make it into something that has more value to it.
We're able to utilize more of that individual tree. Every tree is important. It takes a long time to grow a tree. It doesn't take a long time to cut one down. So making sure that we use everything that nature's given us and translate that or turn it back into usable, longer products. From there, we can make just about anything.
The benefit of finger joining to the customer is we're able to offer it at a slightly discounted price because it's not a solid wood component. And once we prime paint it, they don't see the joints, so it looks like a solid board from the surface.
Contractors always want the longest length that they can possibly get. So one of the cool things about our finger joiner is we can actually finger join up to 24-foot lengths. When we started to see the transition to finger joint poplar, what we also saw was wider casing and wider base, because now you could purchase bigger, more substantial moldings for the same price.
It solves the supply issue. We're able to give our customers a cost savings, and at the end of the day, yield better out of a given board, whereas a lot of other manufacturers simply don't have that capability.
It does make me feel proud that people buy Quanex products to put into their home. We send out a quality product that people can be proud of, and people here in the plant are proud of.
These are things that people are paying their hard-earned money for, and you want to make sure that you're producing a product that they're happy with, and at the ultimate end of the day, we're happy with. You know, it meets our standards.
Without our customers' success, we can't have success, and so it's all tied together. If we take care of them, they will take care of us.
Nobody likes to see scrap going up the chute into the sawdust bin, so it's very important to us if we can use as much as we can, and it'll help the environment in the end. That's a bonus.